First, ensure your macOS is up to date. macOS 15 and later have significantly improved DisplayPort over USB-C support. Next, check for firmware updates for your StarTech dock on the StarTech website. Version 2.1 Plus resolves many monitor handshake problems. Also, verify that your USB-C cables are certified and capable of handling the display resolution and refresh rate. Older Intel-based Macs may struggle with 4K 8K displays over HDMI 2.1. If problems persist, try lowering the resolution or using a DisplayPort connection if available. If you are using a non-Thunderbolt certified dock, you might experience display issues, so if possible, utilize a Thunderbolt certified dock. Understanding the difference between Thunderbolt and USB-C is crucial. Thunderbolt offers higher bandwidth for video and data, outperforming USB-C in speed and capabilities. Always confirm that your monitor supports the resolution and refresh rate output by the dock. Check your Mac's system report for display detection logs to identify connection issues. Overheating, DRM-protected content, or insufficient power can also cause detection failures. For multi-monitor setups, compatibility issues can arise with daisy chaining. Connect directly where possible. If issues persist, consult StarTech's official troubleshooting guide or contact their support for model-specific advice. Cases show that macOS updates fixed GPU handshake issues and enabled full detection at 120 Hz. Start by unplugging and replugging the dock, then restart the Mac.